How to update Dola AI app. First of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. Now go to search and then search for Dola AI. Tap on the application. Now, once you come here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on it in order to update the app. Now just wait for some time. Also, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then you would be able to update your application from Play Store or App Store. Once you update the app, you would get latest features available to you from the application, and also certain bug issues and errors will be fixed as well. Now, once the app has been updated, you can simply tap on the option of Open and use the app accordingly. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.